I gotta get my life in order. I'm out of order. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. I know I've been MIA from YouTube, but I'm back. So I'm just getting ready for work right now. What happened to my comb? But yeah, I did my makeup. I tried these new lashes. These lashes is thin, baby. Thin, thin, thin. I didn't want them too thick, like the 25 mm bag. But these lashes is thin. But I guess they cute for now. I really want to start back doing lash extensions. But the girl who was doing my lashes moved to Texas like over a year ago. And I tried a couple people and it was not good. As you guys probably know, when you're looking for a service provider, it could go bad when you like going through the process of searching for one. So that was not it for me. But anyway, I'm just getting ready for work today. And yes, I'm using my nails to part my hair because I don't have a comb in here with me. But it'll be okay. Because this ain't no real style for real. I'm just doing the, I'm trying to see should I do the half up, half down with the clips. I have a one-on-one class today. So I just got everything ready for that. I got the kit together and just kind of go over everything to make sure I don't leave anything here. Because I keep everything here at home as far as my nail supplies and stuff goes. I keep it at home. So and I have a few extras up there. But for the kit, for the class, I just want to make sure I have everything. Because I live far enough away that there's no coming back home. I might as well fix this since I got my comb. I'm doing too much. But yeah, I'm honestly running out the door. Like usual. I don't know why I do that every day. Oops. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna do half up, half down with my clip. Where's the clip thing? With the claw clip. But yeah, you guys, so I don't know if anybody is a business owner or nail tech. Have you been feeling kind of just uninspired lately? I've been feeling pretty uninspired lately, so I really want to get back into doing like a lot of the stuff that I used to do, or the plans that I used to have. Hold on, this is going crazy. Okay, like the plans that I used to have, like, you know, when you like writing down all these little business ideas in your journal and stuff. Like, yeah, we need to get to them ideas. But I don't know, I haven't been feeling like it. I want that up. So, yeah, that's one of the things about like working for yourself. Like, you gotta know how to make yourself do stuff even when you don't feel like it. Because it really don't matter if I do it or not, you know. But then again, it does matter because I'm not reaching my goals, I'm not getting to the things that I had planned. And I'm not gonna put no edge control today. I might do something like right here, but I'm gonna put an edge control like right here because it just gets hard and it cakes up on my hair. Even though I am gonna probably end up be doing my hair in a couple days. But yeah, y'all, you gotta get to these goals, honey. We gotta get to these goals. It's hard to make yourself do stuff when you're used to just doing what you want to do. Okay? That's really the hard part. What y'all think? I'm just gonna do a 360. I learned that I'm supposed to be doing 360s in my outfits to make sure everything looks good. So I'm just trying to get better. But yeah. Okay. So this got real cute real quick. Don't play with her. And I seen this video on TikTok. I might do that next. This girl, she did a cute little quick weave. That's probably what I do instead of washing my hair. Because I just washed my hair on Monday. And today's Thursday. So I'll probably put it in a style for next week. Cute little one too. But yeah. So excuse me, that's part of the reason why I'm back on YouTube. Because I need to get my house in order. I gotta get my house in order. I gotta get my life in order. I'm out of order. Come on, Peach. That's how you know I be on TikTok too much. Because I'm out of order. Comment down below if you know where that's from. So when I first get to work, I like to put some music on just to set the mood. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting away all the tools that I disinfected the night before. I like to do my disinfecting at night if I can, but if not, I'll come in the morning a little bit early and do it then. But I'm just going to go ahead and put everything into these clean implement containers in my drill bit container. And now I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready for my first client. I like to get everything set up in these metal trays. I get them on Amazon. You can get the link in my Amazon storefront down in the description box. I think they're just super easy to organize everything and not have everything rolling all over the table. And if you didn't follow me on Instagram, I did move Sweets back in August. So when I moved Sweets, I went ahead and reorganized my desk, and I'm loving the reorganization. Everything is super easy to find, and it just makes my day go by a lot smoother. So my client today is getting a fill-in. These are her old nails. As you can see, everything looks great. I used a matte top coat from StingBeauty.com, and everything is still matte, just like it should be. Now for the fill, I'm going to be using Bare acrylic powder from StingBeauty.com, and actually everything is from my website. So Bare acrylic powder, the size 14 acrylic brush, monomer, and primer. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in that back area where the nail has grown out. I went ahead off camera, foul shaped and buff, and did the designs and everything. And this is the finished product. If you want to see how I did these nails, just check my TikTok. And we did use that matte top coat again, Chef's Kiss, my favorite. I'm going to clean up, and now I'm going to start getting ready for my class. So I just finished with my client. Now I'm getting set up for the one-on-one class. I have everything in the kit laid out right here, and I just kind of moved my room around. Like the table, I made a caddy corner, so that way when I'm up at the dry erase board, she can see me. And yeah, right now it's a hot mess, but I'm meant to get it all together. So this is everything that comes in the kit for the one-on-one class. And I'm just going to start over here. So we have nail files, monomer, cuticle oil, cuticle pusher, nail tips, 3 of our acrylic powders, blush, Bare, and bubblegum. This is an acrylic brush cleaner cup, size 14 acrylic brush, our 15mm liner brush, nail buffers, Dap and Dish. I have 3 different sizes of crystals, SS3, SS8, and SS12. Then we have, of course, top coat, nail glue, primer, fine sanding band, micro taper cuticle bit, mandrel, and sanding bands. This is just some glitters that I put together for her. I need to put another one just for that one. Just some samples of glitters that she can play with. And then we have our crushed crystals, pixie crystals, basically. I have some super sticky jewelry gel. This is a tray for your crystals, rhinestone picker. And then I got 3 different shapes of rhinestones. And you can get pretty much all of this on my website. Monomer will be coming soon. I just have an issue with packaging the monomer without it spilling everywhere, and it just makes such a mess. But yeah, this is everything. And then we have, oops, this is my little lunch. I'm about to eat that real quick. But then we have the manual. So intro to acrylic. It has everything that we're going to be going over in the class. So yeah. So my student says she's on her way, so I'm gonna go ahead, take this trash out, come back, eat my lunch, and then just wait for her to get here so we can get started. It took me about 6 years to become like fully comfortable, confident with offering my services to the public. I started doing nails probably like 2012 on myself, just playing and experimenting, and to my friends. And then kind of how you said, like I went to school, I went to night school, dropped out, I went back to another school. for hair, dropped out because I really don't want to do hair. Then I finally went to school and studied through 2018. I got my license and I've been doing nails full time ever since then. What are like your top 3 things that you want to learn today?
Application, shaping, and I'd say the cuticle work.
Cuticle area. Okay. Come in different grits: fine, medium, coarse, extra coarse. For the natural nail, I would just do fine and medium.
Okay.
And then for me, even so, I like mostly fine. So this goes here, just slides right on, and then when you're done, it pops right off. You throw this in the trash and you go ahead and disinfect this.
Okay.
Now, the difference between these, this is called a diamond bit, and this is called carbide. Now, when you see that when you're shopping for drill bits, just know that diamond bits are for the natural nail, for the cuticle area.
Okay.
Carbide bits are for enhancements only. You should never use carbide on the natural nail because it will eat through it. It's so hard that it will really damage. And so you see those little white pieces of skin
Right there.
and here on the side, that's what you want to try and get rid of. If you can get rid of it with the sanding band, that's better. And that's why I was saying you can go over with the sanding band first and then this one, because it's going to take this one a lot more passes. So go ahead and try. But if you're trying and you went over it a couple times and it's still there, that's when we'll go ahead with the cuticle bit afterward. Like a ski slope nail. So for those type of people, I would not put a straight nail tip, because if you do, it's going to appear even more up. For those type of people, I would recommend a curved nail tip, so that again, first of all, cut that nail as short as you can to get rid of as much of that ski slope as you can. And then we're gonna go in with the curved nail tip. Not that much curve. We're gonna use a curved nail tip so that it can appear more straight. Because I've had times where, like, it literally looks like all their nails are going up, and you'll be like, you know, what's happening? It's not nothing you did, it's just the way that their natural nails grow. So I like to break the nail into 3, and it doesn't matter if it's a super long nail or a medium nails like we're doing today. You would still break it into 3. It's just that those 3 sections aren't going to be the same size. First bead, we're going to place that here, brush it down, fill in the tip of the nail, shape it and everything. Now as you're working, as you can see on the picture here, you want to make sure your client's finger is pointed down. You do not want to have their finger parallel to the table. You want it to be pointed down. The thing with the acrylic, it works with gravity. So instead of you having to brush it down hard with your brush and do all of that, if your finger is pointed down, if your ratio is correct, the product is going to flow down by itself. You can kind of see like over here, a little more bumpy. This is my student's work at the end of the class. This was literally her first time doing acrylic nails and it came out so good. She actually went home that day and did her sister's nails, and this is the result. I'm super proud of her. Okay, so class was a success. Everything went really good. She just left. Unfortunately, her certificate had the wrong last name on it, so I'm gonna have to reprint that when I get home. But other than that, everything went really good. Everything went great. I am about to finish cleaning up, clean up all of our mess from learning all those nails, honey, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for spending the day with me and hanging out with me in my studio. I am definitely going to be doing a studio tour so you guys can get into all these beautiful details and everything like that. That's going to be coming soon. I got a few more finishing touches to do, but it's coming very, very soon. If you have any questions or any video requests, you can leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.